Hi, I'm Beck and Food's My Life. Perhaps you or someone in your family might be gluten-free and you're looking for a quick and easy slice recipe? Well, I've got one for you, coming right up. So today I'm going to be making for you my gluten-free rice bubble date slice. Now this recipe is really popular among the kids and a great idea for a lunchbox treat. There's not many ingredients that go into this. I'll show you how simple it is. Here I have 4 cups of gluten-free rice bubbles. I have 1 cup of roughly chopped dates. Now you can use dried dates, but I like to use medjool dates because I find that they're more plump and juicy and they've got a lovely caramel flavour. I have half a cup of caster sugar. I have 90 grams of softened butter. I have vanilla extract and just a little bit of coconut to top the slice at the end. Now I'm going to go over to the stove and show you how it's done. So in a heavy based pan, I have the sugar, the dates, the butter and the vanilla. I have it on a low to medium heat. I'm going to melt this down and then I'm going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 15 minutes until those dates break down and I'm left with the kind of caramel. So it's been about 8 minutes. We're halfway there. And you can see that those dates have broken down nicely now. So it's a full 15 minutes now and you can see that those dates have broken down even further and I'm left with a big gooey caramel. Okay, so I'm bringing my caramel over and I'm going to add my rice bubbles to the caramel. And this, by the way, is just smelling so divine. So all we have to do, pour it in and give it a really good stir, making sure that all those little rice bubbles are coated nicely. So all I've done now is I've pressed that rice bubble mixture into my 20 by 20 centimetre square cake tin and I've sprinkled a little bit of desiccated coconut over the top. I'm going to put that in the fridge now for about 2 hours until it's ready to take out and cut up into pieces. Well, there you go. My gluten-free, guilt-free rice bubble date slice. Well, I think it's guilt-free. I mean, there's dates in it, there's a bit of sugar and a bit of butter, but it's all good. It definitely tastes all good. So now it's your turn to have a go at making this slice. And if you want the recipe, check out the description below. I have links to my website there where you'll find all my recipes for free. Please don't forget to like my video, share my video, or better still, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.